The numeral 0 is a fundamental symbol in mathematics and various conceptual frameworks. Its fluid calligraphic rendering emphasizes its circular form, representing completeness or cycles. The 0 symbolizes the concept of absence. Conversely, it also signifies a starting point, an origin from which all other values emerge. The elegant curve of the 0 encapsulates both the void and the potential for creation. The numeral 1 is presented as a strong, singular vertical stroke. Its design emphasizes simplicity, reflecting its fundamental mathematical value. This visual representation conveys a sense of uniqueness and individuality. The numeral symbolizes a foundational concept representing the start or a single unit. A subtle artistic flourish enhances its visual appeal without detracting from its clarity. The numeral 2 emerges distinct in its form and symbolic representation. Its characteristic curve defines its upper structure, leading into its base. A horizontal line forms the stable foundation of the numeral. The flowing lines of the 2 suggest concepts of duality and connection. This graceful shape embodies numerical value and abstract relationships. The numeral 3 is a fundamental symbol in mathematics and various systems of counting. Its characteristic form features distinct double curves, contributing to its unique visual identity. The aesthetic balance of its design highlights its visual harmony and recognition. This numeral consistently occupies a specific sequential position within numerical orders. The numeral 4 is presented as a distinct graphical representation. Its structure is characterized by angular lines, defining its geometric form. The clear delineation of these lines contributes to its visual clarity. The robust shape of the numeral conveys a sense of stability and order. This combination of features results in a solid and impactful visual presence. The numeral 5 is a distinct character in the Arabic numeral system, widely recognized globally. Its unique structure begins with a horizontal line forming the top segment of the digit. This is followed by a vertical stroke descending from the right end of the horizontal line. The numeral concludes with a prominent curve extending from the base of the vertical stroke. This curve typically sweeps leftward and then upward, completing the digit's form. The dynamic and open-ended nature of its form often suggests concepts of progression and completion. The numeral 6 is presented as an abstract display, highlighting its unique form. Its elegant loop at the bottom is a defining characteristic of its visual structure. The flowing design of the numeral is emphasized, suggesting fluidity and movement. This continuous form represents the concept of a cyclical process or ongoing flow. The smooth transition within its shape symbolizes harmony and uninterrupted progression. The numeral 7 is a distinct character in the Arabic numeral system. Its form is characterized by a clean horizontal top stroke. This is followed by a prominent diagonal stroke descending from right to left. The combination of these strokes creates a sharp and decisive visual structure. This design inherently conveys a sense of clarity and directness. The numeral 7 is widely recognized and utilized across various cultures and disciplines. The numeral 8 is visually represented by 2 interconnected loops. Its design features a symmetrical and continuous structure. This unique form symbolizes concepts of infinity and balance. The numeral 8 creates an intricate and profound visual representation. The numeral 9 is characterized by its distinct form, featuring a closed loop at the top. A prominent descending stroke extends from this loop, completing its structure. This shape inherently suggests concepts of completion and culmination. It also implies a sense of return, often associated with cyclical patterns or endings. Visually, the numeral 9 mirrors the 6, but in an inverted orientation. This inversion highlights a related yet distinct aesthetic elegance between the two numerals. The fundamental building blocks of our number system are the numerals from 0 to 9. These 10 unique symbols form the basis for representing all numerical values. When arranged in a sequential line, they demonstrate their inherent order and progression. Each numeral, despite individual artistic rendering, maintains its unique position in the sequence. This sequential display highlights the logical structure and progression within the number system. Simple addition and subtraction form the foundation of basic arithmetic. These operations involve combining or separating quantities represented by numbers. Numerals are used to visually represent these mathematical values. Clarity and legibility of these numeral forms are crucial for understanding. Their practical application is demonstrated through various arithmetic problems. Digital clocks integrate numerals to represent time, specifically hours and minutes. These numerals are displayed on a digital clock face, providing a clear visual representation. The aesthetic design of these numerals contributes to the overall visual appeal of the timekeeping device. This integration ensures both functional clarity and enhanced user experience in time display. A calendar grid visually organizes time into structured units. Numerals are fundamental components within this grid system. They represent specific dates and days, enabling temporal tracking. The arrangement of these numerals highlights their utility in structured information display. This systematic layout facilitates easy identification and scheduling of events. Calendars exemplify how numerical data can be presented for clear chronological understanding. Numerals, traditionally used for quantitative representation, possess inherent aesthetic qualities. Beyond their mathematical function, numerals can serve as versatile design elements. Arranging numerals in repeating geometric patterns reveals their abstract beauty. This artistic application highlights their potential for creative expression in design. Such patterns demonstrate how numerical forms can transcend their literal meaning to create visual art. Arabic numerals, beyond their mathematical function, possess inherent aesthetic qualities. Their distinct shapes and curves offer a rich visual vocabulary for artistic expression. Artists can manipulate these numerals, varying their sizes and rotations. This manipulation allows for the creation of complex and harmonious visual compositions. The arrangement of numerals can form intricate patterns and abstract designs. Such compositions highlight the artistic potential embedded within these familiar symbols.